to log in to American Express online account. So if you want to log into your American Express online account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar, search for American Express login. And after that, on the first search, you will have www.americanexpress.com. You can click on that and it will directly take you to the login page. And now to log into your account, first you have to enter your user ID and then your password. And now here you can choose your card, like your account and merchant account or American Express work account. So after choosing that, you can click here which says remember me, so that you won't need to log into your account again and again. But if you forgot your user ID or your password, you can click here forgot user ID or password, and then you can recover or reset your ID or password. And if you want to create a new online account, then you can click here so that you will create a new online account on American Express. And if you want to activate your new card, then you can click here to activate. And after entering all of this information, you can simply click on login, and after clicking on login, you will be logged into your American Express online account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.